I gained 418,000 impressions and 353,000 total audiences, with 25,000 engagements only in 1 month by doing Amazon affiliate marketing on my Pinterest business profile. And according to SimilarWeb, 1 billion users visit Pinterest every month. You can see the majority of the traffic comes from the United States and more than 75% of its user base were women. This means if you promote females-related products, you already know US female shopping conversion rate very high, means you easily earn money by promoting affiliate products on Pinterest. Hey friends, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, I am going to show you how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest through the step-by-step complete guide. You can do all these steps from your mobile phone. In the previous video, I showed you how to create an Amazon affiliate account and landing page to promote products on Instagram Reel. I recommend you also watch this video. But in this video, I will teach you how to create a business profile on Pinterest, how to get videos with copy-paste method, and how to viral your Pinterest post and profile. You have already seen my Pinterest profile stats, how I gain thousands of views and engagement. You can also gain views like this with my exact Pinterest strategy. Please do not skip any single step of this video. Before watching this video guys, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon button for more money-making ideas on time. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I already teach you how to create an Amazon affiliate account in the previous video. Now it's time to create a Pinterest business account. For this, go to google.com, search Pinterest business, and click on this web page. Click on the sign up button, enter your email, password, and age, and click on create an account. After this, you move to this page, enter business name with at least add your 2 niche related keywords, for example, DectorI smart home gadgets, home decor. If you have a website, then add it, otherwise click on not yet, select country and language, always select to the United States, click on next button. Select category, our niche related home gadgets and decor, so I select a home category and click on next. Describe your brand, for example, I select publisher or media and click on this next button. This is a very important step. Tick on I am not sure yet, then again click on next. Click showcase your profile, select your brand logo. You can create a logo with canva.com. Canva is free to use online graphics designing and video editing tool for creators. You can change the username of your profile. Add a profile bio by adding at least 4 to 5 keywords, for example, DectorI shares smart home gadgets, home decor, kitchen utensils items. Click on this link to buy amazing gadgets and home decoration items. In this website section, add your landing page link. In this previous affiliate marketing video, I already guide you on how to create a landing page to promote products on social media platforms. Select the country and phone number to the United States, and click on save. Confirm your Pinterest profile verification, go to your email server, open your Pinterest email, and confirm your identity. After creating a Pinterest and Amazon affiliate account, the problem is how to create videos with copy-paste method. The solution is very simple. Go to Alibaba.com, our niche related to home decor and smart gadgets, so go to the home and garden category. For example, I click on this clock product category. From this list of products, I find a product DIY wall mirror 3D clock. You only find those products that have videos. After hunting for a product on Alibaba, go to Amazon.com to find this product is available or not, and you can see whether this product also available on Amazon. Open this product in a new tab. While this product also have a video, download video from Alibaba or Amazon, it's your choice. After downloading a product video with IDM or screen recorder, you can see Amazon Associate Site Stripe at the top of this product page. Click on this text option, copy this affiliate link and save it in Notepad. Now it's time to edit this product video. I use Filmora editing software. If you are a mobile user, you can use CapCut or VN editing apps. Select this aspect ratio to 9:16 and click on create a new project. Click on add new files, select the product video and music files. You can download music from NCS YouTube channel. Drag this video into the timeline, right click on this video to mute the video sound. Adjust the video size like this. Now adjust the speed duration between 15 to 20 seconds. Drag this music file into the timeline and adjust the music and video duration equally. Now it's time to add a title to this video. Go to the title section and select the default title option. Write call to action text, for example, a link in the bio. Add another title to the timeline and write text, for example, smart home decor item. Click on this export button, set frame rate to 30 frames per second, and click on export this video. Watch this video after editing.
A few moments later.
The next step is to create an affiliate product post. For this, open C8KE landing page app. Go to the post section, click on a post from the image, select your product images and videos. Write engaging product captions, for example, 3D wall clock smart home decor item limited time offer. Click on the price button, set the product price, for example, $30, click on the add link button, add text and affiliate link in a button, and click on the share this post. Now, after creating a landing page post, open your Pinterest mobile application or website. Click on create a new post and add a new idea pin. Idea pins like a reel or YouTube shorts, and an idea pin go viral more easily than a standard pin. Pin means post. Select your affiliate product video, click on the next button. Write post captions, for example, smart home decor item, cool gadgets, Amazon finds for every home. Click on pick a board, board mean category, click on create a new board, write the name of your board, for example, this product is related to home decoration, so I add a title home decor and click on create. Now go to the tags section and search for a tag related to your product, for example, search home decor and wait few seconds, add suggested tags. Search for another tag, for example, search gadget keyword and again wait for a few seconds, add few gadget related tag, after adding 10 tag click on the done button, and click on the publish this idea pin. I recommend you guys, go to youtube.com, search Pinterest growth strategy and SEO, and watch at least 5 to 7 videos on Pinterest SEO and growth. According to the Shopify blog, it is possible to make money through Pinterest by sharing an affiliate link. This is my real case study video, guys. Work on this strategy, guys, at least 3 months, upload 2 pins per day on Pinterest. Pinterest also has partner programs like YouTube and Facebook. This means you can earn money by uploading content on Pinterest. If one of the Pinterest pins goes viral, for example, gains 20,000 clicks, only 700 people buy your product, multiply it with a commission rate of $3, and you can easily earn $2,100 with only one pin post. In the previous video, I share how you can earn money through Amazon affiliate marketing by uploading Reels video on YouTube, link in the description. Go and check out this video. I hope guys love this video. Please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more money making content on time.